right, what's going on, folks? Mark, DLUX Motorsports today. Quick video on this 2020 Chevy Silverado 1500 Z71 Trail Boss. And she is a boss, let me tell you. 7-9 adjustable McGoy's kit. Sitting on a set of 38s currently. McGoy's upper control arms. This thing's been fully serviced. That thing's got brand new ball joints in it. 7-9 kit, 3-inch body lift. So this truck's sitting, I mean, she's sitting right, brother. That's why they call it a Trail Boss. Interior, exterior, really good shape. Absolutely no rust, as you guys would always expect. Z71, the carpets, interior still is in fabulous condition. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys hit the sub. Drop a thumbs up on this video while I suck on this. It's an old school lollipop, bro. This is how many licks does it take to get to the center of a Tootsie Pop? I bet good too. Orange one. Anyway, if you guys got any comments on this truck, drop them below. I'll be sure to get them answered for you. So a couple different options. If you guys like this truck, if you feel like it's too big, I can easily take out 2 inches out of the McGoy's kit, drop the 3-inch body lift out of the truck, easily drop this truck back down to 35s. So if you love a Trail Boss, if you feel like it's a little bit too big for you, but you love the truck, I can easily drop this truck a total of 5 inches very easily. This truck drives really, really good. Currently, the way it's set up. Heated seats, power everything, factory navigation. I'm starting to lose sunlight, unfortunately. What does it say? 103,000 miles. 2020, 103,000 miles. Mechanically, she is on point. Interior, like I said, gorgeous shape. Body free of anything major, any major defects. Tires need to be shined up a little bit. This one is scheduled for final detail on Monday. So by the time you guys see this video posted, this truck will be gleaming. Although it's still in really, really good shape right now. It looks really, really clean. If you guys have any questions, call the office, 843-697-7501. This truck is still shippable anywhere in the nation. So if you want this truck shipped to your house, we will be more than happy to ship it directly to your doorstep. Again, frame, free of any rust. If you guys have any questions, drop a comment, drop a like on this video. You know, I don't have as much excitement in this video because this is like the 10th one I've shot today. And your boy's tired, man. It's 6 o'clock here in the Charleston area. Look at that sunset, though. Come on now. Look at that sunset. Anyway, sales parts service, DLUX Motorsports. If you're into something lifted, make sure you come check us out. Best prices in South Carolina, hands down, no question. You buy this truck local, I will service it for $100 an hour for the life of the truck. It's cheap, man. You can't beat that. Anyway, 2020 Trail Boss, come get some.